How do you keep your processes operational without unscheduled maintenance emergencies? If these are not immediately addressed, they can cause millions of dollars in lost revenue. Or worse still, an accident or involvement by work cover and the EPA, which only means an increase in insurance premiums. Australian Mining Product and Services delivers premium product to specifications on time at very affordable prices. A comprehensive range of innovative products tailored to meet the demands of the resources industry, mineral extraction, ore beneficiation, often onshore gas projects. Water or oil impact and abrasion-resistant wear face, magnetic-backed liners and magnetic wear patch deliver faster return to operational status. Repair bandages and leak seal epoxy, grip repair couplings, eliminate leaks and reduce maintenance costs. Fluid handling products like hoses, pumps with gaskets, seals, valves, ensure efficient transport of liquids, from water to slurries, facilitating efficient transportation with minimal material waste. Screening media, designed for precise classification and maximum throughput. Motorized, rollers, pulleys and permanent magnetic pulleys. Crusher liners, screen media and mill liners and pulp discharge systems enhance performance, reduce energy consumption and maintenance requirements. Complete your conveyor systems with our belt conveyor accessories and motorized pulleys, engineered for reliability. Call us today at 1300241620 or email us at sales@australianminingservices.com.au to elevate your productivity. Choose reliability. Choose efficiency. Choose Australian Mining Product and Services.